Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 17 of the 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. I appreciate you following along. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video. Day 17. Let's see. She's got some more of that beautiful trim she's had from before on day 15. If you didn't see that video, I will link it here. She's got this beautiful Santa Claus foiled out. And this paper with all the houses. Okay, so, and of course, all the sewing as usual. I love it, love it, love it. Let me cut this with my decorative scissors so I can reuse this. And for day 17, my Secret Santa gifted to me, woohoo, a paper pack. It's a Christmas paper pack. Oh, let's do a flip through. Ooh, and it's double-sided. Look at it, look at it. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I love these papers. And the images. So beautiful. So I can use these for card making, for scrapbook making. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. I love it. So she gifted me a paper pad on the 17th day of Christmas. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Until my next video, shakas.